she got the word. She said, I suppose you've heard about Alice. Well, I rushed to the window, I looked outside, and I could hardly believe my eyes. There's a big limousine rolling up into Alice's drive. I don't know why she's leaving or where she's gonna go. I guess she's got her reasons, but I just don't wanna know. 'Cause for 24 years I've been living next door to Alice. 24 years just waiting for a chance to tell her how I feel or maybe get a second best. How I gotta get used to not living next door to Alice.